What if one gadget could save your life when everything goes wrong? From a 20,000 lumen pocket flashlight to a solar-powered tactical smartwatch and thermal vision that fits on your phone, these are the newest survival gadgets built for real-world emergencies. Let's count down 12 tactical innovations every survivalist wants in 2026. Number 10. Nitecore T M20K. Need serious light? For around $460, the Nitecore T M20K packs an astonishing 20,000 lumens into a flashlight that is small enough to fit in one hand. Its 19 high-performance LEDs flood large areas with powerful light. It is perfect for search, reuse, camping, and emergency situations. The rugged CNC machined aluminum body keeps heat under control during heavy use, and dual built-in batteries recharge in as little as 1.5 hours via USB-C. It has a mechanical lock mechanism to prevent accidental activation. Its tactical mode gives you instant access to turbo and strobe. Small, powerful, built for the toughest missions. Number 9. Garmin inReach Mini 2. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 provides a service that no radio or smartphone can. Communication virtually anywhere on Earth for approximately a $300 reported cost. It enables two-way messaging, sharing of location and connectivity much further than cellular services via Iridium satellite baseband. In an actual emergency, the SOS dedicated button will connect you to a vigilant gate, which can send rescue wherever you are, 24/7 for any reason. It's compact, light, tough, and one of the smartest survival devices you can bring with you when seconds count. Number 8. Rocky Mountain Radio. The Rocky Mountain Radio ensures reliable communications when cell service breaks down for approximately $110 per unit. Its rugged enclosures, recessed display face, and flexible antenna are engineered for the tough outdoor conditions climbers face. A lithium-ion battery with cold resistance continues to operate even at -20 degrees Fahrenheit and can stand by for over 4 days. It can be used at the maximum legal FRS power for clear and reliable communication in difficult terrain. Large glove-friendly buttons make it easy to use, while the built-in carabiner loop lets you clip it securely to your gear and stay connected wherever the mission takes you. Number 7. Petzl NAO RL Headlamp. At approximately $170, it confirms that the Petzl NAO RL is not just a brighter headlamp, but a smarter one. The reactive lighting feature regulates brightness automatically as you travel, making the light come on stronger when you look down the trail and dim instantly when you pick up a map and GPS. These results in improved illumination, reduced glare, and extended battery life. A rear-mounted rechargeable battery ensures balance for all-day comfort, and a lightweight headband provides better ventilation. A red rear safety light provides a bit of visibility, plus the USB-C charging option makes things easy, and the battery is even capable of powering an emergency power bank. Number 6. Vaultek LifePod 2.0 Biometric. The Vaultek LifePod 2.0 Biometric protects your most precious equipment anywhere for approximately $200. The durable T3 polymer body is lightweight, impact-resistant, waterproof, dustproof, and even floats when fully loaded with up to 2 pounds of gear. Its fast biometric fingerprint scanner unlocks in seconds. It stores up to 20 fingerprints for quick access. It also has illuminated keypad to provide a reliable backup entry option. The spacious interior can accommodate a full-size handgun, spare magazine, and everyday essentials. Removable tray keeps your gear organized and easy to access. Long's battery life and emergency USB power add extra reliability, and its advanced anti-temper protection keeps your valuable secure. Number 5. Chargeasap Storm 2 Power Bank. At approximately $229, the Chargeasap Storm 2 is a dependable power source for those who are a ways from the electrical grid. It has a huge 25,600 mAh battery that can power laptops, drones, radios, the camera, and many phones without making the device too cumbersome for airline carry-on. Monitor battery usage, battery temperature, battery voltage, and the amount of time remaining with clear, bright IPS display, so you know the status of the battery at all times. It can deliver blazing fast 100-watt USB-C charging and self-charges in approximately 90 minutes. The Storm 2 is a compact power station that features multiple charging ports, pass-through charging, and adjustable DC output, making it perfect for serious adventure. Number 4. Excalibur Crossbow. RevX TD door around $2,000. The Excalibur RevX TD is built for serious hunter and outdoor enthusiasts. Its quick lock takedown system lets you assemble or pack it down in seconds. It fires bolt at speeds of up to 400 feet per second with massive accuracy. The Chargeasap system makes cooking faster and easier. Ceasefire anti-dry fire technology adds an extra layer of safety. Lightweight, compact, built to perform. The RevX TD is ready for the toughest adventures. Number 3. InfiRay P2 Pro Thermal Camera. At approximately $250, the InfiRay P2 Pro adds the professional quality of thermal imaging to the smartphone. It weighs only 9 grams, mounts directly to one's phone, and produces clear thermal images at 25 Hz refresh rates and 256 by 192 resolution. It can detect human heat signatures from hundreds of yards away and enables locating persons, wildlife, recently used equipment, or hidden heat losses. The companion AP measures temperature from -20 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. The included macro lens lets you inspect tiny electronic components with ease. Small enough to fit in any pocket, powerful enough for survival, repairs, inspection, and outdoor adventures. Number 2. Ulefone Armor 24. At a price of about $270, the Ulefone Armor 24 is designed to remain abundant even if a smartphone fails. It's rated IP68 through IP69K and MIL-STD-810H, making it surprisingly waterproof, dust, mud, drop, and environment resistant. It also has a massive 22,000 mAh battery that promises days of use and also promises reverse charge to chuck in power to other devices in the event of an emergency. The built-in 1000 lumen LED floodlight instantly lights up campsites, trails, or work areas. The 64 megapixel night vision camera captures sharp photos and videos in complete darkness. Rugged, reliable, ready for anything. The Armor 24 is an all-in-one smartphone built for serious outdoor adventures. Number 1. Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition. The Garmin Instinct 2X Solar Tactical Edition costs approximately $450 and is designed for those who go beyond the ordinary. It is ruggedized according to MIL-STD-810 to withstand harsh conditions, and battery life can be virtually unlimited with sufficient sunlight provided by power glass solar charging. Stealth mode hides your GPS activity when you want to stay off the grid. The kill switch instantly wipes sensitive data when needed. Night vision compatibility makes it ideal for low-light operations. A built-in LED flashlight offers both white and green light. Multiband GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo provide accurate navigation anywhere. Tough, reliable, solar-powered. This is far more than a smartwatch. It's a survival tool built for the real world. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.